This is a cake shop near your house. You love to eat the delicious pastries they make. This is Andrew. He wants to eat a cake, but doesn't know if that specific cake is available in the cake shop.
I wonder if that cake is available there.
Andrew has to go to the shop just to check out if they have that cake. This is because many local businesses don't have a way to let their customers know what they have to offer. This is where you come in. You are a web developer, and you can make them a website to let their customers know what cakes do they sell.
I'm gonna make them a website so people around here can know about the delicious cakes they offer.
And the best part about it is, you will get paid by the cake shop for doing that.
Alright. So, let's get started. Shall we? Okay, if you want to make a website, first let's see, what is a website? A website is a collection of many web pages. For example, this is a website, and these are its web pages. So, a web page is a fundamental block of any website on the internet. But you probably knew that already, didn't you? Okay, but do you know what is a web page made out of? That's right, even web pages can be broken down to different things, just like atoms can be further subdivided into subatomic particles. So a web page is made out of mainly three things: HTML, CSS and JAVASCRIPT. HTML can be defined as the structure of a web page. Anything written on a web page or a link or picture on the web page is written through HTML. CSS is used to style the web page, and JavaScript is used to interact with that web page. So if a website were a human body, HTML would decide how muscular that person would be, CSS would decide if he would be stylish or not, and JavaScript will decide how we'll interact with you if you poke them. Alright, now that we have the basic knowledge of a web page, let's create one. We are gonna make a web page which just says hello world. Okay, so first open your notepad and type HTML. These symbols are called tags in HTML. This is an opening tag, and this is a closing tag. Remember, this is an opening tag, and this is a closing tag. Okay, so now, give an opening and a closing HTML tag. Then, give a opening and a closing head tag within the HTML tag. Then give an opening and a closing title tag within the head tag. Then give an opening and a closing body tag within the HTML tag. Tags are used to write HTML code. Remember, tags are used to write HTML code. If we didn't have tags, we wouldn't be able to differentiate between HTML code and normal English language. Now, there are different types of tags in HTML, but you mostly need to know a few. For example, this is a header tag. It is used to write a heading. Now, let's write a hello world heading using the header tag. Next, let's save this file as an HTML file instead of a text file to see it as a web page. Click on the file you just saved, and there you have it. Your very own personal web page. How cool is that? Okay then, let's turn this web page into a website. As I said earlier, a website is just a collection of web pages, so if you just add another web page, you can have your very own website. Write another HTML page, just like the last one. Instead of writing hello world here, we are gonna write this as page 2, and then save it as another HTML document. But as you can see, there is no way that the two pages are linked with each other, and we can't call it a website until both pages are linked in some way. So let's do that. What we are gonna do is provide a link for the second page inside the first page. How are we gonna do that, you ask? Let me show you. This is called the anchor tag. So, we use the anchor tag to insert any link within an HTML page. We are gonna use it to link both the pages. First, create an anchor tag within the body tag. Next, within that anchor tag, write ref, which means this is a link, and write the name of the second page. And remember, this only works when you have both the files in the same folder. Otherwise, it won't work. Now within the anchor tag, write link to next page. And now, we have a fully functioning website within just a few minutes. And that is the most basic part of web development. And now that you know it, we can move on. But not today. Today you have worked really hard to get to this point. And I very much appreciate you for that. This is just the beginning of your journey, and I wish you good luck. Okay, so, in the next tutorial we will mess a little bit with CSS and try to make our website a little more stylish, okay? So, goodbye until then, and if you want to practice at home, here is an assignment for you. Make a website where, on the first page, you will write your personal details, like name, date of birth, age, and, on another page, write your hobbies, and about your goals in life.